Okay, for today's video, we're playing 2v1 against, kilala nyo na to, sila Mikey and si Doy. So we're playing 2v1, magsa-scramble sila against me, match play. So we're starting this challenge here sa hole number 10. Ganda naman ng draw. Patong. Ganda naman. Buena. Ay, kilala ko rin to. Parang namumukhaan ko yung caddy sa gitna. Ito, gwapo tong nasa kanan. Madalas ko tong nakikita.
Luigi, mag-gublo na ako.
Oo nga. Hi! Anong pangalan mo? Ikaw, ha? Ano? Weng. Pwedeng ikaw mag-caddy?
Store bro.
Nagkakape pa.
Go! Ayan ang hole in one. Kaliwa ka pa kaya. Tabi lang.
Alright, we are both putting birdie. So they are taking Doy's tee shot for birdie. Ako din for birdie. Pakimark?
Bagal.
Okay, I have a chance to go one up. Mabihina din! Ay, sayang. Missed opportunity to go one up. So, we both parred. So, all square. Hole number 11, 295 yards. Might hit a 5 iron.
Wow! Yes! Shot! Yeah! Ouch!
So I'm left with 145 yards to the flag against the wind. Sila Mikey and Doy, and that's their second shot, taking Mikey's tee shot.
Right.
Okay, landed left short of the green. Slight pull. Mikey and Doy left with around 140 to the flag. Short din yata si Mikey. Ay, patong! Wow! Nice shot, Mikey! Maraming mga simulator. Nakabig si Mikey.
Araw na flight tayo pabalik ng Pilipinas. Ano na? Umuulan na.
Talaga. Ganda ng tira ni Mikey. Ganyan kalaki? Diyan din ang bagsak, ano? Okay.
Hop, tama na.
What a shot by Mikey. They have that putt for birdie. So, that is to go one up already. Ako putting for par. So I need them to miss, and I need to make that if ever. Uy, sayang. Sayang. Okay. Sayang, na-shoot ko sana yung putt. All square, sana kami tumama sa pin. Alright, so they are currently one up in the match. So, through 2 holes. Okay, hole number 12. It is playing 150 yards with the wind. I'm hitting a 9 iron.
Wala, 4!
Kick left mo, itubig mo. Okay, patong na naman. Kondisyon talaga si Mikey.
Stop!
Okay, went over lang ng konti si Mikey sa green.
Di ba, usually
Ito,
mas mura kayo
masyado.
kung Thursday.
Early morning.
Pero what? Sige, pero para
Patong
once a
din.
week pare bro. Baka kakayanin.
Okay, both Mikey and Doy on the green. Ako din. Ako naman nasa right side.
Nakikita ko rin kasi yung mga ano niya, diba?
Alright, so both teams are putting for birdie. Mas malayo ako. I have this putt, birdie putt for na 18 paces.
Tripat.
Naku, hindi pa gimme range. Muntik pa kami. Good putt. Okay.
Sa dulo lang.
All square ulit, all square. Half namin yung hole. Kinabahan ako ng konti doon. Oh. Alright, hole number 13. First par 5 of our match. Currently still 1 down. Kanan lang.
Okay lang.
Ganda. Good investment talaga yung driver na yan. Yun, bumalik. Mikey and Doy's second shot. Taking Doy's tee shot. Just a little left of the fairway. Ay, kanan lang ng konti. Huwag lang pumasok sa mga puno. Ah, good shot. Okay, meron sila sa left, meron sa right. They have options. Okay. Hindi ako susunod kay Weng. Sabi niya, play safe, pero bahala na. 230 yards. Hitting E3 wood. Hindi pumasok sa mga tawid naman, kaliwa. Sorry, Weng. Okay, alangin. Sana hindi lang ako pumasok sa net. Pulled it a little sa left side. Okay, Mikey and Doy's third shot. Ay, patong si Doy. That's for their birdie. Si Mikey went a little over lang. Ayan. Ay, butan lang. We found. Safe naman talaga yung bola ko. Kailan ko naman. Left to right. 40 yards to the flag. One golf club sa kaliwa. Tama, Weng? Walang babagsakan. Okay. Left left to right. That's for both teams putting for birdie. Hi, Mikey. For birdie. Sabi sa'yo, against the grass eh. Ay maniwala eh. Nakita na ni Doy ang speed.
Go, Mikey.
Try to half the hole. Naging 3-putt cast. Good putt. Okay. Half the hole. Still 1 down. Okay, hole number 14. Still currently 1 down. 510 yards. Kailangan dito ako makakuha sa mga par 5. Ay, hindi masyado nag-draw. Masok sa puno. Ba? Gitna rin eh. Okay lang.
Gitna lang. Pwede na. Wow,
Grabe yun, no?
grabe ang layo niya.
300 yards.
Nagpas sa bunker yan. Ay,
Iba, bunker, pumasok.
Ayun, lumabas.
Okay. Doy and Mikey, that's their second shot. They took Doy's tee shot. Ako ito. Pero I'm just playing safe. Course management. Si Mikey took their second shot na tumama sa puno. Bumalik sa may rough. Sige. Okay. They might take Mikey's second shot.
Huwag ka masyadong mag-left.
Hindi naman tatalbog. Sa may bunker. Okay, napadraw ng konti. Ang worry ko lang baka umabot sa bunker. Doy and Andrew. Masyado nasanay. Doy and Mikey. Left with mga 160. They took Mikey's tee shot. I think they went, and Mikey went to the right. Kanan din. Ba, ang ganda.
Oh, galing.
Lumusot. Galing oh. Nice shot, Doy! Okay. For my third shot, I'm left with 65 yards. Diretso na ba to?
Kanan.
Kanan pa rin. Tirang mga 55. Thank you. I have the putt for birdie. Galing naman nun, par na naman. Hey, Mikey. To force me to make mine. Going 2 down sa akin. Mahina. Ba't di mo ginawa yun, Doy? Dapat ganun din. Okay, I have this putt to win the hole. 5 paces. Firm ano? Hole number 15, 442 yards, still 1 down. Mikey, partner, mas mahal ang buffet ha, tatandaan mo, magkakampi. Mas malaki yung partnership natin kaysa dito.
Sige, partner.
Ilaglag mo na. Ganda ng draw, gitnang gitna. Good investment. Ay, nag-bleed lang right. Pero fairway.
Wow, nice shot. Gusto lang papasok. Nice shot.
Ayan, may landed over the bunker dyan sa right, pero sana hindi pumasok. Okay, Mikey and Doy, that is their second shot. They will lay up to cross the waters 140 yards. Mas mahal ang buffet na Scoopy. Ayun, bumalik pa rin. Safe pa rin. Clear na clear. Gitnang gitna. Good shot. Buti na lang. Safe. Second shot left with 186 yards. Hitting a 6 iron. Uphill.
Ay, kanan.
Over the bunker. Ang lutong ng tunog. Sobrang lutong. Ang ganda ng tunog, ha? Doon din talaga yung linya. Akala ko magdodraw eh. Pero slightly open din yung club face. Pero went over that bunker sa right. Para nag-carry ng 1 na. Okay, Doy and Mikey. That is their third shot. They took Doy's second shot. Grabe, yan ko tinubas. Bunker. Okay. This is to go up and down potential. Dahon na to yung kanan. Ito, yung kita dito.
Sa malapit sa pin.
Okay. 23 yards. Right to left.
Grabe yan.
Eagle sana!
Mas may tayo, Mikey. Oo nga. Nice, guys. Ganda.
Kahapon 2 hole out ko sa Riviera eh. Okay, Mikey and Doy for their birdie. Lakas.
Nako, lalabas pa.
Lakas din. Mas malakas pa.
Tayo, eh. Parang nag-aalangan kami doon sa itsura eh. Pero mabilis.
Mikey and Doy for their par.
Ganda.
Ano?
Butin na lang. Oh, malakas nga yung damo, no? Ay! Okay, tupa to win. Concede naman na siguro yan. Ano kailangan na papat ko para lang sa score ko? Thank you. Okay, more birdie.
Birdie.
Okay, all square. Okay, finally, I was able to get the hole. We're back to all square. So for my round also, I'm currently even par. Heading now to hole number 16. Okay, hole number 16 is playing 108 yards.
Nice shot.
Yun, no?
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Go!
Short din sana. Ay, nabola. Ay, sobra. Naku, nabola ko. Siguro doon ako sa may letter P or O. Okay, very difficult shot. Palinis na lang please. 18 yards. Need to land it talaga sa may fringe. No room, no green to work with. Tapos yan, downhill pa. Subukan inip. Ay, lambot. Sobrang lambot lang. Okay, thank you. I'm in for bogey. Sayang. What a clutch shot by Mikey. So that is Mikey's tee shot. Putting for birdie. So they have 2 putts to win to go back to 1 up. Good putt. Okay, back to 1 up.
Yes. Bumalik na tiwala ko sa sarili. Hindi ko ma-feel yung ano.
Okay, hole number 17. Currently back to 1 over sa aking round. Pero sa match play namin, I'm currently 1 down. Hole 17 is playing 177 yards, shooting a 7 iron. Bunker. Kanan ng bunker.
Uy!
Bunker pa rin. Sana hindi gumulong. Ayun, bunker, brother. Scoopy.
Kaliwa naman masyado.
Nice shot.
Basta.
Napatay! Ba't ka nag-hit? Wala naman nag-slap. Nag-hit? Eh, hala. Naiwan kong open yung club face. Wala naman nag-splash. Sana safe. Okay, buti na lang safe ang aking bola. Kasi ako na maglapag. 39 yards. Left to right. This to...
Right.
Oh, buti na lang. Buti na lang, safe. I have that for par. Thank you. Doy and Mikey in the bunker. That is Doy's tee shot. Ganda. Yan ang ganda.
Galing oh.
Buti na lang malayo. Nice shot pero ganda ng out na yan. Both teams are putting for par. Slightly mas malayo sila. Mikey.
Bumot sa dulo lang.
Bumalik.
Yes.
So para sa driver.
Nag-pattern gagamitin.
Okay, for the win. To go 1 up. Ay, to go all square ulit. Okay, all square. Okay, That was a very good up and down. To still be 1 over sa stroke play. Tapos, mali pala namin ni Wena kanina. Siya naglalagay ng linya. Mas maganda pala bibigyan niya na lang ako ng target. O, tatandaan.
Kasi si Sir mag yun.
Aba, grabe ah.
Hindi ko kaya i-lead yan.
Mas maganda yung bibigyan niya na lang akong target. So, we're currently 1 over sa aming round. Pero sa aming match play, we're currently all square. Okay. Heading now to the last hole sa back 9. First 9 namin. We are currently paulit-ulit, all square na naman, pangatlo na. Alright, so hole number 18, forced layup lang towards that flag, which is mga 140. Hitting a pitching wedge lang. Sobra mo. Sobra mo sa flag. Short. Ganda.
Dapat para challenge, pattern muna.
Ayun, para makikita mo yung nakamat. Okay, landed left of that stick. Okay. Mikey and Doy around 115 yards to the flag. They are taking Mikey's tee shot. Short. Stop! Stop!
200 yards ka pa basta patras.
Naku, ganda. Wow! What a shot! Grabe. Okay, wala. Oh, I need to hit this close. Ang lapit nila, Doy. Okay, left with 108 yards. Hitting a 56-degree wedge. Grabe. Muntik mag-eagle si Doy, sayang. Kabig.
Right po lang.
Kabig na kabig. What a shot by Mr. Raimundo. I'm giving that to them. They're in for birdie. Nice shot, brother. Ayan. What a bird. Okay, that forces me to make this to keep the match all square. Kulang. Grabe, what a clutch shot by Doy to end the first 9. So, I'm currently 1 down dito sa start of our second 9 sa first hole of Philippine Navy. So, yeah, let's see if I can win against 2 players na naka-scramble. Let's see.
Hoy!
Nice, Mikey.
Bunker mo na. Short lang. Short lang. Wow, ang ganda. Nagpakitang
Dumuro
gila.
ka, dumuro ka pa.
Safe yan. Ay, sumabit. Okay, very lucky I found my golf ball. To cross the water is 120 yards. So I'm hitting lang a 9 iron. Hopefully, hindi ako sumabit dito sa mga punong to. Kahit aim right kasi GUR naman sa kanan.
Uy! Wag.
Yung sinasabi ko baka sumabit. Yung sinasabi ko sumabit sa puno. Okay, at least safe. Okay, landed before the water. Okay, ang GUR. Kanan. Good shot.
Kulang yan eh.
Nang gigil masyado. Oy, 3 points! Feeling ko dapat yun. Yun ang kunin nyo. Okay, going for the hero shot. 230 yards to the flag. Slightly against the wind. Hitting a 33 wood. I'm conceding this hole. I'm playing 5 already to go up and down for bogey. 120 hitting pitching wedge. went left. Ay, nako. Kaliwang kaliwa. Okay, double. Alright, hole number 2. I had to concede that hole. I'm 2 down. Tapos currently sa stroke play, I'm currently 3 over na.
Ayaw talaga kita masaktan.
Ganda talaga.
Kaya kanina ko lang ginawa, ayaw kita masaktan.
Sakto nag-concede na eh.
Oh, wow.
Nag-uulong talaga pag... First time nag-cut ulit ng maayos. Pero layo pa, mga 200 plus pa eh. Mike and Doy taking Doy's tee shot. Okay. Ay, kumanan pala. Ayun. Tatalon ba siya? Sa likod daw natin yan. Akala niya mabagal lang tayo. Okay, I am left with 195 yards to the flag. With the wind, hitting a 6 iron. This is Doy and Mikey's third shot. Naka-chunk. Si Mikey went ahead na pero umover siya. So I might have an opening. I just need to hit this. I need to hit my third shot on the green.
Naku.
Wow! Napakalambot! Super lambot ng lupa. Okay, 16 yards. Come on, Luigi. Up and down for bogey. Baka may chance pa tayo dito. Okay. We have this spot for bogey. Doy and Mikey to go up and down also for bogey. Bumait na. Nagpas. Okay, for their bogey. Wag mo i-shoot! Wag mo i-shoot! Buti na lang, Mikey. Thank you, partner.
Ayaw ko masaktan nga eh.
Wag mo naman i-shoot. Okay. I have this spot to go 1 down na lang. Left to right. Lakas, Luigi!
Delikado pa! Okay, galing.
Nakalimutan ko yung pabalik. That was a very silly putt. That was another double bogey. So I'm still 2 down. Heading to total 5 over na. Heading to hole number 3, which is playing 186 yards with the wind. So I might be hitting a 7 iron.
Left.
Second shot, our terrible tee shot. 42 yards left to right. Hitting mga 30 yards na regular.
Bite.
Hey, Doy and Mikey, almost the same shot. Short. Short si Mikey. Doy, yeah, almost the same shot as mine. Mas malapit lang na konti. Around 35. Short na short din. And landed short. Okay, I need to make this. Still outside 8 paces. Okay, I'm in for bogey. So if they make this putt, they go 3 up. Looking good. Looking good.
Mas malapit.
To stay 2 up pala. Good putt. Okay. Half hole. Okay, hole number 4. Currently still 2 down. 324 yards. Dog leg left. Kailangan umabol. Uy! Good shot.
Ayaw ko na tumira. Sayang yung pintago. Nice shot!
Tama.
Nice play.
Ganda din.
Good shot, Mikey. Bahala nga. Buti nahanap pa rin yung bola. Okay. I will go for it dito. Against the wind. Hitting an 8 iron. Hinangin ano? Okay, so left with 42 yards for my third shot to go up and down for par. Sila Mikey and sa right. I think that's Doy's shot. Parang pareho sila magkatabi.
Bite.
Sayang, kaala ko magbabite. They have that putt for par. Layo. Mikey and Doy to go up and down for their par. Medyo mahirap to downhill. Sobrang feel shot. Cases pa ako for par. Layo. Mahina lang. Maganda. Ako na. Galing naman! Nice shot si Doy. Mukhang 3 down ako. Okay, hole number 5. 3 down na ako. Meron na akong Mercy Mulligan. Might hit a either 56 lang naman to or 50. Lakas ng hangin. We are both putting for birdie. Pero lapit nila Mikey. Just outside of the green. Ako 15 paces. Plus 1. Na firm ano, paakyat. Okay, alright. Hinari. Good putts. Okay, hole number 6. 343 yards currently, 3 down. If I want to win, I need to win the last 4 holes. Okay, dog leg left. Hitting a 3 wood.
Left. Balik ko lang.
Okay lang. Preferred light. Okay, landed. Tree line. Okay. Kanan lang si Mikey. 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 Mas mahal ang buffet, brother. Ganun din. Okay.
Ano magandang exit niya?
I'm left with, and sila Doy, they might need to punch out. Pare sila nagpunta sa kanan. Ako, I'm left with 100 yards to the flag. I still have my Mercy Mulligan this hole. Na baka sana, kailangan mawala na. Para may chance manalo. Ay, tumama, bumalik. Ah, tumama din.
Para kami nasa doon lang ng Navy na.
Bakit?
Hoy. Ba. Bite. Po.
Fringe! Pwedeng dun. Okay, at least safe. Medyo nabawalan ng konti. Matigas yung lupa. Yan. I can use my Mercy Mulligan there. Doy and Mikey. Third shot. Around 120 yards. Uy, galing naman na lusot na yon. 3 points! Sana safe, di ba? Okay, around 120 yards. 4 there. Third shot to go up and down for par. Uy, lusot din eh. Sumabit ng konti. Doy and Mikey to go up and down for bogey. Ako ay chipping for birdie. Baka makuha ko naman na itong butas. Sana. Okay. That is for their bogey. Doy and Mikey for their bogey. So if they make this, they need me to miss my putt para dormi na.
Laging ganun.
Mikey, sayang!
Laging ganun nakaka.
Hindi na sadya yun eh.
Leave out. Paano sa jail leave out?
Sayang. That's good, that's good. Mas masakit ang bitin kasi walang ka-chance.
Yun.
Naku, mas make ako. Pag hindi ko na shoot, dormi na. Good putt, brother. Good putt. Okay, mas make.
Sir, sa kanan. Firm putt lang.
Firm putt, hati-hati sa kanan. Hey, wala nang muligan. 2 down. Okay, I am now 2 down with 3 holes to go. Hole number 7. No more mercy mulligans. Mikey. My hole 7. 327 yards. Come on, Luigi. Subok. Last 3 holes. Mikey! Anong ginawa mo? Okay lang, dormi. Ay, stymie pala. Caldereta. Short lang din. I might have an opening
Mag-alaga ako sa games.
ng kambing. Hindi naman sampal. Joker. Okay. Batok-tok. Okay, try to hit a 4 iron na lang above those trees. Bahala na. Yan to eh. Malakas. Malakas lang, Mikey. Mr. Raimundo to go up and down for their par. Short. Okay, Olympian. Okay, landed left is to go up and down for bogey. Left to right, 22 yards. Uy, malakas.
Ay.
Di pa rin bumay. Talagang bilis talaga to dito. Mikey and Doy, this is to outright win the match. To go 3 and 2. Pumasok. Sayang, Mikey! Muntik na, tapos na. Tapos na yung laban nun. 9 paces ako for my bogey. Dati mong putt. Okay, I need to make this to half the hole. Tama ba? Ano sila? Bogey? Ah, wala na. Tapos na pala pag hindi ko na-shoot.
Ay, kulang.
Good Brown. Good man. Okay. Good round, brother. Good match, good match. Good match. Tala. 3 and 2. Sobrang sama ng front line ko.
Actually, sa error, hindi naman sa laro na. Sa error.
Dami kong error, sobra. Sa t-shirt pa lang. Good round, brother. Good round, good round. Okay. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, hole number 8. 100. Second to the last hole. 155 yards against the wind. Hitting 8 iron. Nasa T-mount. Okay, 15 yards. Left to right. To avoid na lang. How to go up.
Right.
Hindi nag-bite. Kulang talaga, kulang lang. Okay, this is for par. Mahina. Ay, mahina na. Nice shot.
Salamat din ang aliwa.
Takeaway ko pala na. Okay. Second shot. 260. Mga ganun pa yan, ano? Scoopy. Inangat kasi. Okay, third shot. 5,600. 8 yards. Hitting a 56 degree wedge. Diba?
Ilan pala yung nawawala?
Landed on the green for birdie. Huli na't lahat nung nakita ko yung swing ko. Ngayon ko pa nahanap yung swing ko. Ayan na, si Buena. 4-hour birdie. Finish around 80. Nice putt. Sun Weng. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. See you at the fairways. Nice shot. Love you all. Thank you. Nice shot.